What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that this asset has a huge upside potential because the Citigroup just set its new price target for Lucid. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that this asset found some kind of support range at the levels of about $17.6 and every time when it reaches this level, as you can see, we have an increase in volume and definitely it was the range of support, but we still had very decent chances to hit lower targets. And next range of support that I marked previously was right here at $15.32 and it is the lowest point from September 2021, as you can see right here. And let me show you more thoroughly the price action around this range. We had a very good bounce from this level. We broke this range of support. We don't need it right now. And we hit this range level of support. We had a bounce, but then eventually we broke it to the downside. And for now, we are basically we don't have any major pivot points. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame and let me show you the previous price action that we had on January 2021. As you can see, we don't have major pivot points below this level, below $14. And this means next range of potential support is the starting price of the SPAC merger, and it is around $10 mark. Unfortunately, it is what it is, but when we have the highest level of fear, definitely we are nearing the bottom of this asset. And why we had this massive sell-off? Let me show you this news. We are on Yahoo Finance and this article was published on May 11th and it says stock losses accelerate into the close after inflation comes in hotter than expected. And let me show you that it is not only Lucid in red. We have all the indexes that lost a lot of its value. S&P 500 lost about 1.65%, Dow Jones lost about 1.02%, Nasdaq lost about 3.18%, and Russell 2000 lost about 2.48%. Definitely huge losses all across the market. And let me quote you this article. US stocks dropped sharply Wednesday afternoon as investors digested a key report on the state of inflation in the United States, which came in hotter than expected across most major metrics. The moves came in the wake of Labor Department's April Consumer Price Index, which offered an update on price increases across the US economy. While the report showed some deceleration in inflation compared to March, the rate of price increases came in well above many economists' estimates. The CPI rose 8.3% in April over last year, coming down only marginally from March's 8.5% increase. That had been the fastest rate in about 40 years. Consensus economists were expecting an 8.1% increase in April, according to Bloomberg. And definitely 8.3% compared to 8.1% gives a lot of fears, a lot of additional fears to the markets, and this leads to bloodbath on the market, not only on the stock market but also on the crypto market. And that's why we have this massive sell-off. And I have to say that fundamentally we don't have major changes in Lucid fundamentals, and we don't have any news that might lead to this massive sell-off. This means it is only the external factors that leads to this sell-off, and that's why for you as an investor this asset is still very attractive. And let me show you this. We are on fintel.io and this website tracks the institutional investors activity with this asset, and as you can see Green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions, and we have more green rows right now than the red ones. This means some investors decided to enter their new position, but we still have to be very cautious because we have a lot of decreases in position like we can see right here. This means we have mixed behavior on institutional investors, and this means we have to be very cautious with our own position. And let me show you another news. Basically, it is not the news, it is just a traction of their HR activity. And right now they have 3,627 employees that marked the Lucid Motors as their primary employer. And previously, just 3 days ago, they had 3,598 employees. This means in a matter of 3 days they added 29 employees into their company. But right here on their jobs section we don't have any jobs at all, and I have to say that it is some kind of temporary information, because previously this company has about 1,377 new vacancies, and this means they cannot just close these vacancies because of some lack of labor or because of changing some plans. And in a matter of next days, I think we will see this data again, and then we will be able to compare these numbers with the previous ones. But for now, let me show you this. On May the 5th, we have new ratings that was made by Citigroup, and the analyst name is Italy Micheli, and Citigroup lowered its price target from $45 to $36. And definitely it is a decrease in their price target. But let me show you this. From our current price point to this range, we have about 152% of upside potential. Definitely it is a huge upside potential for this company. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have this massive sell-off, and from its recent swing high, major swing high, we have about 50% of downside movement. Definitely huge sell-off in a matter of just 1 month, and that's why we have to be very cautious with our swing trade position. And I mentioned it in my previous video and the video before that video, that if you want to enter your swing trade position, wait for the higher highs and higher lows, and on the retracement you will be able to enter your position, and your stop loss should be slightly below the previous bottom. And if you want to invest in this asset, and if you already done your own due diligence, in my opinion this asset is still very attractive, and it has a huge upside potential for upcoming years, and that's why just accumulate on every daily red candle. This approach gives you more attractive average price and will bring you much more profits in the future. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.